Hi everyone, I'm Melody. Last time we saw how the Sirius 135K conquered extreme environments, deserts, plateaus, and other so-called no-go zones with its rock-solid performance. Today, let's take on an even more complex challenge. Taming the industrial power-hungry beasts, we will see how the Sirius 135K becomes a great caretaker and a cost-saving champion in energy-intensive sectors like steel and chemicals. Take a large steel industrial park, for example. This is a hell-level exam for any power system. A dense jungle of heavy equipment, current surges as well as a stampede, voltage swings as turbulent as a roller coaster. The result? Frequent system outages, poor energy efficiency, and a shorter lifespan for expensive equipment. This triple challenge of too many devices, too many types, and too many operating conditions isn't unique to steel. You will find it in chemical, textile, and other heavy load industries too. So, how does the Sirius 135K break this deadlock? The power of true three-phase four-wire design. Against the chaos of high demand, diverse devices, and unstable voltage, the Sirius 135K uses a true three-phase four-wire design. What makes it true? Beyond a standard three-phase four-wire system, we add a fault-like topology that optimizes the internal electrical system. This allows the system to provide stable support even 100% unbalanced load, especially in industries like steel, paper, or textiles, where heavy machinery and single-phase industrial controls run side by side. The Sirius 135K ensures a smooth operation. It eliminates outages caused by current imbalance, continuous production. But that's not all. With an ultra-high efficiency of 98%, 1% higher than the industry norm, Sirius 135K significantly reduces energy losses. Over 10 years of operation, a single unit can save up to 2,500 euros, enough to offset the initial purchase cost, making it a solution that literally pays for itself over time. And while most systems struggle with harmonic distortion above 15%, the Sirius 135K pushes the limit to a remarkable 25%. Thanks to its virtual impedance and weight grid synchronization algorithm, it can start and connect even in severely polluted grids, putting an end to the so-called weight grid strain. So, after witnessing the outstanding performance in these energy-intensive scenarios, are you impressed by what the Sirius 135K can do? Coming up next, we'll reveal how it delivers all scenario capabilities when deployed in microgrid island applications. Stay tuned.